So since we have a new shop car, we gotta take it out and do our new car break-in, or I guess not new car break-in, I don't know what you're gonna call this.
Oh man, I already feel like DK, bro. Actually, I feel like the white guy. What do you mean, drift?
What do you mean, drift?
Bro, I just realized something. We are the perfect setup for Han and the white guy in the RX-7. We're gonna teaching him how to drive right now.
Police cars are only factory tuned.
Over 113 miles an hour, the cops cannot catch you. This is pretty freaking cool. A double, spread and cheese only, animal style fry.
Thank you. This Mini Cooper is ready for the Houston summer heat. We tinted all the side windows and the back window in Focusing 30 IRD, so this is what we recommend if you want to block the most amount of heat. Not too dark to where you can't see out. And here's what it looks like from the interior. Visibility is not an issue whatsoever. Ooh, that's a sick color, dude. Whoa. Guys, so we got in a new brand of vinyl wrap, and these are the 4 colors that we chose. We wanted to do something a little unique. They're known for having the most, I would say, paint-like surface when it comes to vinyl wraps. All right, so I want to show you guys what I was talking about as far as the vinyl having much more clarity than like other brands. So here I have 2 very similar grays, and you'll see right off the bat what I'm talking about. If you look closely, do you see how in the light reflection, it looks very ripply? See how I'm going left to right? You see the light reflection is just really ripply, almost like an orange peel texture. But if you go to this, look at that. Isn't that crazy? You see a huge difference in the light reflection. It's a lot clearer. It almost looks like it's liquid. It looks like it's water. But you look at this one, you see how ripply the light bar is up top on the ceiling. What does this mean for you? If you put a film like this on, you may notice the texture on your car, especially on a large panel. You'll notice it everywhere. Whereas this looks more like paint, so it looks a lot clearer. Like, look at that. The reflection is 9-day difference.
It's a crazy color.
And then you got the nice clean silver, which is dope. This is kind of cool too. It's kind of like a metallic, I don't even call it, pink plum type of color.
I can't read! Oh! I'm not.
So we're not gonna do the whole car Tiffany blue. We're just gonna be doing the hood and some of the accent features on the front. We just wanna have a nice accent color. So the first things first is we're gonna take off that chrome strip down the middle. You're so good at what you do, Sean.
Shut up.
You get the tape on the edges just to make sure that, you know, you don't damage anything. Pretty dope.
Dude, that's gonna look dope.
Hold it really good.
Wow,
Oh,
there's
so
much static. Ow. Ow. You have to lay this perfectly. Don't tell me what to do. Shut up. I'm sick of you. Shut up. Perfect, Haywood.
He said perfect.
That was so weird, dude.
You think it's nice?
Yeah, finish is nice, and it's way better to deal with.
Welcome to luxury. 30 square foot estate. You have room for 3.5 people.
Curbside appeal, say curbside appeal.
Curbside appeal.
Yo, that is freaking sick. That looks so good. This vinyl is so clear.
It's really glossy. It really looks like paint.
Guys, we are done with the Rolls Royce. Best looking vinyl we've ever seen. So you guys saw this. The whole car was originally all black, and it mainly still is, but we wanted to add an accent color to the whole thing. The grille, the hood, and the area surrounding the front windshield have been wrapped in our new film that we just got. It's like this nice glossy Tiffany blue color. It looks so much like paint. I've never seen a vinyl this clear. A lot of other vinyl films have a lot of orange peel to it, so it looks really ripply. You can see a lot of texture to it, but as you can see, as I'm getting close up to it, it looks super clear. It looks like liquid. Makes the Rolls Royce look a lot more fun, if that makes sense, because of the pop of color. The clarity is unreal. You guys have to see this. If you're in Houston and you want to wrap your car, come by our shop, take a look at this, because the clarity will blow your mind. That's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If we want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Dustin, anything you want to say before we leave? No. Well, if you guys want to keep watching, I have a video here that I made just for you, so check it out. I'll see you guys next time.
Oh, he replied! It's meant to be. Just because he replied doesn't mean the response can be
No.
No.
The price he's offering is reasonable.
It's 2J, right?
Oh, shit!